An emoji is a small digital image or icon used to express an idea, emotion, in electronic communication. It originated in Japan, which is why many of the icons we see today are influenced by the Japanese culture. For example, a bowing businessman, Japanese food and sushi, a person wearing a face mask, although I'm not sure if the poop emoji is also from this ilk. The word emoji literally means picture, e, and character, moji. Shintaka Kurita invented emoji in 1988 while working for Docomo, a large Japanese mobile communication company. He wanted to create a way for users to send pictures back and forth without using much data. The idea was simple: create a one-character code that would display as an icon on the other person's device. Emoji became a widespread success in Japan. While emoji are real pictures and icons that render on your device, emoticons are faces and expressions created using common characters that are already on your keyboard. For example, :bracket is a smiley emoticon, while the smiley faces on the iOS keyboard are smiley emojis. Emoji became popular in America when Apple made the system compatible with its products, starting with the iOS and then adding it to Mac OS X 10.7. In 2010, emoji was standardized by Unicode, the universal entity for character-based electronic communication. This meant other brands like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Twitter could start creating their own versions of emoji that would appear even if a message was sent from another operating system. In short, Apple helped popularize emoji in the United States, and now the characters are visible in almost every device. Responding to calls for diversity, Apple released iOS 8.3 in 2015, which included a color palette for each human-like emoji to change the skin tone. The default is yellow, much like the traditional smiley face icon, but tapping and holding human character emoji will also allow you to select a range of skin tones. Apple also added different family and couple types to include gay couples and different numbers of children. When emojis appear with text, they often supplement or enhance the writing. This is similar to gestures that appear along with speech. Over the past 3 decades, research has shown that our hands provide important information that often transcends and clarifies the message in speech. Emojis can serve this function too. For instance, adding a kissing or winking face can determine whether a statement is flirtatious, teasing, or just plain mean. This is a key point about language use. Rarely is natural language ever limited to speech alone. When we are speaking, we constantly use gestures to illustrate what we mean. For this reason, linguists say that language is multimodal. Writing takes away the extra nonverbal information, but emoji may allow us to reincorporate it into our text. What does the future hold for emojis? Some media outlets have claimed that emojis are an emerging language that could soon compete with English in global usage. To many, this would be an exciting evolution of the way we communicate. To others, it is linguistic Armageddon.